Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a Valentine's Day look with you. It is all matte, pink, purple, and white, and it is using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and this is look number 42. Yes, I think I've not done a look in 2 months using this palette, but I needed a short break. I was feeling uninspired, but now after my break I'm feeling more inspired, so I'm excited to jump back into doing looks with this palette. I love how this Valentine's Day look turned out, so let's get started. Today I'm using the Wet n Wild Megalast eyeshadow primer. I have a shadow shield under the eye to catch my fallout because the matte purple I'm using does have a little bit of fallout. Of course, we're taking the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using that beautiful pink shade in the second row of the palette, and I'm taking this on a tapered crease brush. Such a beautiful shade, and I'm going to use windshield wiper motions to get this in the crease. I'm going to apply it against the orbital bone, using that as a guide actually, and slightly bringing it up above the orbital bone. So the next shade I'm picking up is the dark beautiful matte purple in this palette, one of my favorite shades, and this is going in the outer corner, and I'm using an eyeshadow brush to apply this because I really want to pack it on. Love these matte shades in this palette. They're so nice. This palette in general is a great palette. If you don't own it, it is still available on the Wet n Wild website. And I'm going to do a little bit of blending, and they blend very easily together, pretty effortlessly considering that they are mattes. And of course next I'm taking in the first row here, I'm taking the matte white shade, which is a really good matte white shade. Look at that. Just a couple passes over that and it is very opaque. I'm using an eyeshadow brush to apply this, and I'm also using it under the brow, and I'm going to use that as the highlight as well as bringing it down, blend out the crease shade upwards into the brow. So I'm going to go back over this a few times. You'll see me blend the other colors with it as well. Once again, blends really easily, effortlessly, nicely. All these shades build up nice. I mean, you guys have seen me do 42 looks using this palette alone. It's pretty amazing. I'm applying that dark purple on the lower lash line, and as long as I keep having ideas, or maybe you guys have some color combination ideas for me, I will continue to do looks with this palette. This is a little glitter eyeliner I found on Shein, and then LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight Black, and an LaColors liner, a gel eyeliner. I believe this one's called Enchanted, and I just love me some purple eyeliner. Purple. This is Sephora LashCraft mascara, and then the AOA Studio Wisp mascara, and it's such a pretty purple mascara. I'm so happy it's not the actual color of the tube because it's so different from most of the, it's like a muted mauve purple or a dusty purple compared to other bright purple mascaras. So pretty. For lips, I'm using the Be Pure Lip Jelly, and I love this. It's in rose, and I wish that I could find other colors, but that's the finished look. I hope you found the tutorial helpful and will try the look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more looks using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching.